Guys, so I'm back. So for today's video, I just unboxing for my order from Temu app. So I just really like the app because it's not really expensive, the more item there. So let's see. Yes, don't forget to subscribe my channel, guys. Belanda Philippines Adventure. You look like a Shein. It's white. I like white actually. It's beautiful. Next. White. It's a lot white. Oh, it's top. That's beautiful, the design. Okay. Yes, I like white. Oh, look like big. Extra small but the long to I received. It is a dress. Yeah. Try this. Yeah, I ordered extra small, but you look like medium. Oh, that's so super sexy. I look sexy this. It's beautiful. Next. Oh, it's a large. $14 pieces that I ordered. It's a cute. It's color pink. I like pink also. Pink. That's beautiful. Yeah, I try later. Oh, you look like not extra small. It's maybe it's yeah, maybe it's a bit. It's a color light green. That's beautiful looks. I try on later. Red color red. Wait. It's white. I like white. Oh. It's a t-shirt. It's a simple t-shirt. Color pink. It's a small size. It's beautiful. Oh, I never know there because when I see the ups, they have the white the inside, but only black. Yeah, maybe it's like white the inside. And then last, I just ordered the slippers for walking or the inside. At the size 39, I ordered 37. Why just release for? Maybe don't have available. You know, it's online, not like to exactly the correct for size when order. But it's really good. Yeah. I give my mother. The size is wrong. My size is 37. Yeah. Bye-bye, guys. Also, hello guys. This day, I'm gonna start to cook the chicken stomach. You know the stomach. Yes, I just marinate the stomach for soy sauce, spices, salt, yeah, and then I mix. Then now it is coming cook. Yeah, it looks like delicious, right? It is yummy, guys. Yeah, you try to cook that, guys, when you visit Philippines. So you try the taste. What is the taste? Very delicious. Yeah, let's eat. Yeah, it looks very delicious. They have pepper and with rice, you know. A Filipino is always to starving the rice. Yeah, very delicious and yummy. Bye bye, guys.